Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to use Trello's Butler calendar commands. The first step is to navigate to your Trello board. At the top right of your screen, you'll notice the Butler icon. Click on it to open the Butler dashboard. Now, why do we do this? Butler is Trello's inbuilt automation tool. It allows you to automate tasks based on the date and time, which is what we're focusing on today. Next up, click on the Calendar tab. This is where all the magic happens. You'll see options to create commands that execute on specific dates or at recurring intervals. For instance, you can set a command to move a card to a specific list every Monday. The reason we use this is to schedule and automate tasks, saving us precious time and effort. Now that we've done that, let's create a new command. Click on Create New Command. You'll notice a trigger box that allows you to choose when the command should run. For example, let's choose every Friday. This helps us because it sets the frequency of our command. Once you've set your trigger, it's time to set the action. This is what Butler will do when the command is triggered. Let's say we want to add a comment to a specific card every Friday. Click on Add Action, select Card, and then Add a Comment. Here's where you can type in your desired comment. Let me explain why this matters. Setting actions helps us automate specific tasks that would otherwise need to be done manually. Finally, click on Save to activate your command. Now, every Friday, Butler will add your comment to the specified card. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Butler is working around the clock, ensuring your tasks are performed regularly as programmed by you. And that, my friends, is how you use Trello's Butler calendar commands. It's a straightforward, time-saving tool that can supercharge your Trello workflow. Remember, automation is your friend in managing tasks efficiently and effectively. Thank you for joining me today. Tune in next time for more useful tips and tricks.